Hi there, people. So my name is Ax and I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist. And in today's video, I thought I'll talk to you guys about how a mother wound can make you guys a magnet for emotional abuse in your relationships. So let's get started with that. Now, the first thing that we need to understand, which I have also explained in a lot of my content, is you attract what you feel inside because your subconscious mind works on familiarity and it will attract you towards people, places, and situations that it is really familiar with. And even if that means that they are traumatic. So, your subconscious mind works on familiarity, and that's the reason you attract what you feel inside. So, what is a mother wound? Now, a mother wound is whenever between the ages of 1 to 9, when our subconscious mind is developing, our subconscious mind picks up certain traits from our mother due to our emotional bond with our mother. Now, these traits are empathy, expression of love, nurturing, creativity, and spirituality. Now, these five traits are a byproduct of your emotional connection with your mother. Now, if between those ages your relationship with your mother wasn't great, let's say there was one single moment that weighs really heavily on your subconscious mind, and as a result of that, you have a mother wound. So that means all the five traits that are associated with the mother figure will either be in excess or in deficit. Now, the outcome of both will be different. Let's explore how. Number one, if you have a mother wound that puts all these five traits in excess, that means you will have over empathy, over expression of love, over nurturing nature, over creativity, and over spirituality. That means you're going to attract relationships where you are obsessed with your partner. You will overly express love for them, you will overly nurture them, you will be overly creative and overly spiritual as well, and those themes are going to be a part of your relationship. So in each of your relationship, you're going to become obsessed with them, you're going to be downright focused on them, trying to nurture them, and that's something you're not going to get back in return. That's the thing. Now, in the other case, if all these five traits were in deficit as a result of the mother wound, you're going to attract relationship into your life where you lose interest in your partner, where you lose all the empathy, where you just become really cold. You don't feel like expressing yourself, you don't feel like talking about your emotions, or you might attract partners who do not hold any empathy for you, who do not want to nurture you, who do not want to express their love to you because of your familiarity with your mother wound. Now, if you see, it can manifest both the ways. Now, what happens is that if we can go inside our subconscious mind, locate the point of origin. Now, the point of origin is when you first felt that particular disassociation with the mother figure, because of which that mother wound was created. If we can locate that one particular moment, if we can locate that, we can remove your mother wound. And that's how I do it with all my clients. Now, I do this in my 15 days instant healing program, and within that, I also teach my clients like how to do it on your own, how to remove your father wound and your mother wound, as well as get inside your subconscious mind, heal anything in less than 2 to 3 minutes. And as a bonus, I also help people learn the art of conversational hypnosis, because who doesn't want to be the center of attraction in any conversation? So if that interests you guys can just sign up for a free mini therapy session with me, where I will assess if I can help you out and your subconscious conditioning is something that I can help improve. Only if I feel like I can, I'll admit you into my program, or else I'll just apologize and be like, hey, I might not be the right fit. But what we need to understand is how to locate that point of origin. So you guys can do this right now, and I'm going to show you the method. The method is quite simple. Our subconscious mind cannot lie, so we can locate it. All you have to do is just close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And as you do, I want you to focus on this mother wound and all the five traits that are regulated by the mother figure. And what I want you to do is, I want you to ask a subconscious mind, where is this feeling located inside my body? First impression, whichever body part comes to your mind first is the right answer. The tip of your finger touch that particular body part. Observe what color energy do you see over there. First impression, what color is it? Now your subconscious mind just revealed how it is storing this particular mother wound. Now let's ask your subconscious mind the point of origin. So ask your subconscious mind, when was the first time that you felt this particular feeling in your life? Whatever memory comes to your mind first is the right answer. Do not change it. And this is the point of origin for your mother wound. Now, for those of you who didn't get a picture, it's okay. Your subconscious mind might be masking that particular memory because it feels like if it reveals it to you, it is a threat to your need to survive. And your need to survive is by far your subconscious mind's primary function. So it's going to do everything in its power to make sure you survive everything. Does that mean we cannot figure out your point of origin? No. You might need some advanced techniques. Now, for those of you who got your point of origin, open your eyes and observe. This is the point of origin. So you can go to your therapist, talk about this particular moment, acknowledge the lessons. And once you do, it might take a bit of a time if you do it on a conscious level. In hypnosis, we do it at a very subconscious level, so it happens instantly. However, conventional therapy also works. So work on this particular point of origin. Once you resolve this point of origin, the mother wound will be gone. Now, if you guys would be interested to work with me on my 15 days instant healing program, for that, you guys know what to do. You just need to sign up for a free mini therapy session with me, and we can discuss what your objectives are, what your subconscious patterning is, and how I can help you break that. And just a quick reminder, guys, I cannot take a lot of free mini therapy sessions. So my team assess what kind of people are signing up for the free mini therapy session. They have a criteria with them. And if they feel like, all right, this person is the right fit for our program, they will allow you to have that free mini therapy session with me. However, if we feel like we can't, we refuse that. So I'm really sorry about that. It's in the best interest for you and me both. All right, so no hard feelings. I know a lot of the people are complaining like, hey, why can't we sign up for your free mini therapy session? Guys, I don't want to waste your time. All right, and this session is only for me to understand your subconscious mind map and assess if I can enroll you into my program. So please bear with me. Don't feel bad about it. And there's a lot of free content on my channel that you guys can check out, and you can just learn a lot from that. All right, so stay subscribed, keep waiting for new content, learn as much as you can, and you will be able to turn your life around using all these different techniques and different concepts. All right, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a lovely comment so that you can show that you really love this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.